Hello, friends and family. Welcome once again to Efia's Twist. Today we're making jollof rice. These are our ingredients to steam our chicken, and we will be using our lemon to wash our chicken. So I will be washing my chicken with my lemon juice. This cleans my chicken so well and makes it ready for steaming. So when I'm done washing, I'm going to blend my onion, ginger, garlic, aniseed, and rosemary to steam my chicken. I'm going to marinate my chicken overnight so that all the juices from my spices can go into my chicken. I'll keep this in my refrigerator overnight. Also remember to add your salt and chicken seasoning. Stir everything so well so all the spices can go on our chicken. I'm going to cover this up and keep it in the refrigerator overnight. Following morning, I will be transferring my chicken into a pot. So I'll add all my juices from this marinade and steam for just 6 minutes. I'll then transfer this into the oven, baking it at 400 degrees for 35 minutes. I'll now blend my 2 medium-sized onions, ginger, garlic, habanero pepper, and bell pepper, together with my aniseed, black pepper, and dried thyme. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, kindly subscribe, share, and like this video. I'll put 2 cups of vegetable oil in a pot and add my blended ingredients and stir for 5 minutes. I'll then add 1 cup of tomato paste and stir for another 5 minutes. After this, I'll add 1 cup of tomato sauce and let this boil for 8 to 10 minutes. So at this point, we'll be adding our chicken stock from steaming our chicken. This stock alone is going to take our stew to the next level. So on a medium heat, I'll cover this up and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until oil begins to settle on top. In this recipe, I'll be using jasmine rice. So I'll wash 4 cups of jasmine rice and add it to my stew. I'll be toasting my washed rice in the stew for 5 minutes and later on add 2 cups of water. Bear in mind that the amount of water you add to your jollof rice depends on the type of rice you're using. Jasmine rice doesn't take a lot of water. You just need a little water to loosen up the rice and you're good to go. After adding 2 cups of water, I'll use a parchment paper to cover my rice up and let it cook on a low to medium heat for 15 minutes. And I'll stir my rice again. I'll keep stirring and covering up my pot until my rice is cooked. So there's no need to stir your jollof vigorously. You just turn it from the bottom up and flip it over. I'll be adding some vegetables when our rice is almost done. I'll stir my vegetables into my rice, cover it up, and let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes and my jollof rice is cooked. So it's time to see how our chicken is faring in the oven. This chicken baked so well. It looks very appetizing and it tasted so good. This chicken was so juicy and delicious. Our jollof rice is ready to be served. Just look at how juicy and moist this rice looks. And the single grains. The flavors alone in this jollof rice was so delightful. I appreciate you for watching and I hope that you learned a thing or two from this video. You can always try this recipe and give us a feedback. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.